There's a new documentary. It's the peacock and the guineas in the boxwood jungle. There's the peacock. Right there. Get a closer look. I need to jump in. Oh, I know. I'll go through. Okay. These are dangerous species of birds. You have to be slowly moving. Oh no, here comes one. You have to crouch down to find them. They've gone outside the boxwoods jungle. Oh, there's one coming closer to me. There he is. Isn't he a beauty? So cute. Oh, there he is. Oh no! He flew out! Oh, this is getting exciting. Oh, where'd they go? They left. Oh, maybe except for one. No, he's gone too. I must go through and find him. Where are they? They're back in the boxwood circle. Here he is. They're right there hiding in the shade. The peacock's coming. There are the guineas. There's the peacock. Never separate the peacock from his guineas or else he gets mad. Do not try this at home. I separate you. I separate you. He's starting to get mad because I separated him. So he's biting me. He's getting ready to charge. Maybe not, he's too lazy. I knight thee, Sir David Adderhold. If you didn't see, here it is. I knight thee, Sir David Adderhold. You are now knighted. Bye-bye.